Do you know why it is important to publish your research paper? And what benefits do you get after publishing your research paper? Around 82% of people have published their research paper and have gained benefits. But still, there are some people who don't know about the benefits of publishing the research paper and the importance. But now, you don't need to worry, as I have got you covered. And here is another helpful video for you all where we'll be talking about the importance of publishing the research paper. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Publishing a research paper opens a wide array of opportunities where one could do better in their career. So here are some of the benefits one should know about publishing the research paper. Number 1. Career advancement. Publishing your research paper acts like an evidence of your academic achievements and your valuable contributions. Number 2. Opportunities for collaboration. Publishing a research paper can lead to opportunities for collaborations with other researchers and institutions. Number 3. Increased visibility. Publishing a research paper can increase visibility for the researcher and their work, which can lead to new opportunities, funding and collaborations. Number 4. Improve your skill. The published paper goes through many standard process before publication. The article that is going to publish requires many standard check and quality check like formatting, language, style, context and content. So when researchers prepare their research for publishing, they get knowledge about writing the perfect manuscript. But wait, here is a golden tip for all the PhD aspirant. Number 5. Benefits for PhD aspirant. Publishing a research paper for PhD aspirants is beneficial as it helps candidates who want to pursue their career in teaching line and to those who want to upgrade their current job. क्योंकि आपकी published research paper से लोग आपके mindset को जान पाएंगे और साथ ही आपके research paper को validity भी मिलेगी कि वो कितनी unique है. So these are some of the benefits of publishing a research paper you should know about. And if you're facing struggle to publish a research paper, then don't forget to contact Aimly. I hope this video was helpful for you, and for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your views in the comment section ताकि हमें पता चले कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी और आप नेक्स्ट किस टॉपिक पर वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं.